Hey families and kinders, welcome to another week of distance learning. This is going to be our new learning board for the week, and I just want to show you some updates that I've made. I have learned a lot about technology, and my team and I are always trying to make things a little bit easier for you parents and kids. So when looking at the new learning board this week, you're going to notice up at the top there's still our tabs or bookmarks for each page. There's the daily announcements from Miss Sampson. There's the daily calendar for the kids. You can still click on the login information page, but I did leave this time the reading resources, the math sources, and these additional ones. Make sure you check out Mindfulness with Miss Sarah one day this week. She is our school social worker, and she does great mindfulness lessons with the kids, and she is providing some now with distance learning. Another cool new piece is handwriting. If you click on this when your kids are working on their Easy Write pages and links, you now have access to this folder, and in this folder you will be able to print journal pages if you'd like. So you can print the pages that they use that we would be using in the classroom to practice some writing on. Otherwise, you can go into there's different writing sheets. So there's number practice in here if your kiddo needs practice with a certain number. There's uppercase and lowercase letters, and there's some more writing pages. So this is pretty awesome. Mrs. Norstone put this together and shared it with us. So again, that is in your handwriting link here for printable pages. Another new one is Google Meets. I'm going to be sending out another email with more information, but we're going to try to do this every Wednesday from 9 to 9:30. It'll be a time where we can catch up with friends. There is directions. It's completely optional, and it will be a fun time, I guarantee. Watch for more information on that to come. As you scroll, we kept the same layout as the last few weeks, so we'll start with math, activities, reading activities, writing, science, health, social. We went with dinosaurs this week. So hopefully the kids will have some fun learning about dinosaurs. We've included some fun videos, some activities. If you scroll down, I believe it's on Thursday. You can even take a virtual field trip to a dinosaur museum. It's pretty cool. So be sure to check that out. I have also included now seesaw activities. My goal is 1 math, 1 reading, and then 1 writing per day. So if you look at math, you're going to see a warm-up activity, math workbook pages, and then to apply it, you have a choice to do the first activity, or you can do the seesaw activity. If your child would like to go above and beyond and share both with me, I am happy to see those activities come through. So you'll notice as you scroll through math, you're going to see that you can do this activity or you can do the seesaw, your choice. On Thursday and Friday, we're counting by 2s and by 5s. And so just be aware that there is a easier counting by 2s and then a challenge one. Your child can do both or pick one. Same with Friday. There is a easier one and a more challenging one, and they can choose. In reading, this is the week where we have now put audio and video into all the reading workshop and phonics lessons. So when you click on it, your student or child, I should say, should be able to do this pretty independently. They will go through each day, they'll click on it, they'll hear one of us 5 teachers giving them directions, and then they'll be able to click through the different activities each day, again, listening and then learning. So hopefully that'll be good for you guys. Same thing for phonics. And then I will include 1 phonics activity each day. And then, of course, they can pick what they want for fluency, practice those ball words. And then here is our link for our read aloud. So everything is in one place for you now. There won't be additional videos coming on Seesaw for read aloud. So the kids can listen to the read aloud. You'll notice that we'll finish Junie B on Tuesday, and then I will be doing some recordings tomorrow, and I'll be adding in a new Magic Treehouse read aloud for Thursday, Friday. So that's kind of an overview of math and reading. Writing will tie in with science, so there'll be some journal writing about dinosaurs and reading some dinosaur books. And again, there's your easy write practice, and the letter pages are there too for you. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. Specialist links, Phi-Ed, art, music, and technology all have new links for the week, so be sure to click into those each day. Pick your choice, pick which one you want. And then otherwise, yeah, watch for the directions for our first Google Meet this Wednesday. And if you have further questions, please reach out to me. Otherwise, I hope everyone has a fantastic week. Miss you.